wild wind wails, and over the treetops the nighthawk sails. The grey wolf sits on the world's far rim, and howls, and it seems to comfort him. The wolf is a lonely soul, you see, no beast in the wood, nor bird in the tree, but shunts his path in the windy gloom. They give him plenty and plenty of room. So he sits with his long lean face to the sky, watching the ragged clouds go by. There in the night, alone, apart, singing the song of his love.